Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we are going to be discussing about how to change the domain name on Squarespace. So make sure to follow this step-by-step process, and do not forget to head over to the link in the description that you can use to simply donate to our channel. That is going to be super awesome. Alright, so what you need to do here is first you need to cancel your domain immediately. If you purchased the domain within the past 5 days, you can cancel the domain, and what this will be doing is that you are going to be more likely to get your refund. So open your domain's dashboard, click the domain you would like to change, and simply delete the domain. After cancellation, you are going to be heading over to the next step, which is of course registering a new domain. So to replace a domain, register a new one in your domain's dashboard. Once you do that, you will eventually get a new domain by yourself, and of course this is the only workaround to get your domain name changed. If you have one purchase and you have a different mind, you want to simply convert it or replace it, then you need to delete it immediately after you bought it, and then apply for a new domain. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, guys. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.